All right, now I just want to rapid fire some examples. They'll get more difficult. Maybe you can see part C has a fraction. We'll deal with that when we get there, but let's just warm ourselves up. Log base 5 of 25. So remember, what you're doing is you're finding the exponent. 5 to the power of what equals 25? Okay. I'm not going to give you ones that are too difficult right at the beginning. That's just 2 because 5 to the power 2 equals 25. Okay. This one, log 10. Remember, if you don't see a base, the base is 10. So 10 to the power what equals 10? Well, don't think about that one for too long because the answer is 1. 10 to the power 1 equals 10. All right. Fractions aren't too bad. I just might have to remind you of some rules you would have learned in grade 9 or grade 10. Okay, if you have a fraction, that's like a negative exponent. So I'll just remind you over here in this space. Like, for example, if I have 2 to the power of negative 1, that's the same as 1 over 2 to the power 1. If I have 2 to the power negative 2, that's 1 over 2 to the power of 2, which is 1 over 4. Okay, so how that helps us is 1 over 8. I'll rewrite this whole thing. 8 is 2 to the power 3. We know that. We saw that in an example already. So 2 to the power 3 is 8. So 1 over 8 is 1 over 2 to the power 3. Okay, that is 2 to the power of negative 3. That's what I was talking about over here. Okay, here's something really fun or really useful. I don't know how fun you find math, but some people do. If you have a base of the log and the base of the exponent beside each other, those just cancel each other out. Because remember, you're finding the answer. You're saying 2 to the power of what equals 2 to the power negative 3. Well, the answer is definitely just negative 3. Okay, so 2 to the power negative 3 equals 1 over 8. Right? And I'll do the work over here just to prove it. 2 to the power negative 3. What we're just saying, that's a positive exponent in the denominator. And 2 to the power 3 is 8. So there we have it. I hope you agree with that. I don't need to see all that work every single time. You're not going to see a ton of fractions with logs, but I want you to be able to do it, so that's why we're doing some now. So 1 over 25, that's 1 over 5 to the power 2. This answer is just going to be negative 2. I'll do a bit of work for you. I might leave it as here. When you just have the same base in the denominator, the answer is just negative. So that answer is negative 2. Again, because 5 to the power negative 2 equals 1 over 25.